Okay, hello everyone. So today we got a Cort acoustic guitar coming in for a pickup installation. Initially, he wants me to check the preamp to see what's wrong, but there's no response from the preamp itself. So I suggested to him to change to a new pickup. So he's using a Fisherman Neo D pickups. When I look up into the specs, actually it needs to have a preamp as well to actually boost the signal of the single coil pickup. So if let's say you are taking this approach, make sure you have an external preamp to actually support the pickup signal itself. Okay. At the same time, I actually did a 3D printed cover plate as well to make it a bit more nicer to look at and to cover the hole. Okay, enjoy the rest of the video. I see you at the end. Bye. Okay, hello everyone. So today we got a Cort guitar. This is an acoustic guitar MR710F natural, coming in for actually a pickup problem. It starts to crackle. Then after that, what I suggested to him is I'm going to check first. So I took out the preamp and clean it, but still no sound. I checked the jack, also no sound, and it crackles a lot. It's not the battery also. So what I suggested is he change to a new pickup. So the pickup that I suggested to him is a Fishman single coil Neo D pickup. Apart from that, I also saw, because the wires was dangling outside, is the design of the pickup whereby the wires is on the outside. So I suggested to him, if he wants to make it a bit more cleaner of a look, then of course install a switchcraft jack with the end pin jack. So that is the one he opted out for. Other than that, the guitar actually needs new strings. This one a bit corroded already. Plus there's a few other issues as well. The nut on the higher fret is a bit low, a bit too low, and it's buzzing around the 1st to the 5th fret, more on the 3rd to the 5th fret. Other than that, tuners as well, a couple of the tuners, the slack was a lot, so it won't stay in tune for very long. So maybe you want to consider doing that as well. Setup work is also one thing, but he just opted out to change the pickup. So I'm going to give you a sound clip to the guitar itself, then you can hear the buzzing around here. Okay, right. Okay. So the saddle is very low, that's why it's hitting the pickup. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to shave a bit of the caulking for the pickup itself, so it can go slightly lower and clear the notes from here onwards. But but just by the test alone, as you can hear just now, on the first few frets there's buzzing. Down here is okay, it's just the maybe first 4 or 5 frets which needs to level. But from that, I'm going to shave this a bit lower. Actually I don't want to do that, but because the setup of the guitar is as such, then of course I need to clear a bit if you want to access this area here. Alright, So pretty much that's it. It sounds okay. So that's the buzzer. Yeah, maybe in the future you want to consider doing and fixing the other parts. But for now, I think the pickup issue is resolved. Another thing is the 3D printed cover for the preamp, for the old preamp. Yeah, so it's quite nicely done, if I can say it myself. So yeah, that's done. Yeah, let me know when you want to pick up. Okay, bye. Okay, so I cleared up on the 12 frets onwards. I don't want to bring it a bit too low. Later on, you might have issues with volume. So yeah, pretty much is done. Let me know when you want to pick up. Okay, bye.